Good evening, everyone. My name is Shauna Barnes, and I'm excited to be taking this class with you this semester. A little bit about myself. I'm actually currently a mental health and drug and alcohol counselor, and my main objective at work is to do assessments, so do walk-in assessments and also referral assessments for those referred by probation or different other community agencies. I believe 3 assets that I definitely think I could bring to the class to help others learn. One would definitely be my experience with working with different populations. I've worked hands-on with individuals with various physical and developmental disabilities. I've worked as a case management, and I've also now currently work on the paper end, as I call it, doing more documentation. So I'm not as hands-on as I was before, but definitely continuing to still learn. I think it's that second asset definitely would be my ability to adapt to different situations. Again, with working with the various populations, you have to be able to adjust your time and balance your time well, because anything can happen. So I definitely think being able to continue to develop community relationships and make adjustments as needed are definitely an asset that helps me. And then a third asset I definitely think would be my open-mindedness. There's still things to learn. Things are forever changing within the social work field, and I definitely think keeping an open mind and being willing to learn and adapt to different changes would definitely help to better provide services to the population that we serve. So that's a little bit about myself, and I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you this semester.